get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.
All right, you guys. So me and Bae's off to our cute 5th year anniversary day. She got this cute bottle. Right out. So excited, Bae. Can you believe we've been together for 5 years?
Yes. Especially if you got forever in mind.
Oh.
It don't went by for us though.
It did.
I felt like it was like
Last 2 years, yeah. I feel like that too.
time flies when you're having fun.
Yes, it do. All right, you guys. So we will touch bases with you when we are at our destination.
My name is Chase. I'll let you guys know what we're doing tonight. Lots to talk about, so let's just dive right in. Let's talk about these guys, what's right in front of you, the cut molds. Who likes peanut butter? Nutella, candies, fruit nuts. I'm sure you guys like all that kind of stuff. All the toppings. Over 40 toppings to choose from to go inside of these cups. Right back here. We have the healthy side if you want to be healthy. That's great and all. I think that's amazing. But I like more of the sweeter side, the candy side. That's where I like to be. And then peanut butter down here. Peanut butter right there. And Nutella, also really good. So, it's so easy. There are spoons in each container, so whatever you want, you just take it and fill it up. I mean, it's so easy. How much? Halfway. So halfway with whatever you're working with. I'll do a little bit of Butterfinger. I'll do some shredded coconut. I like that. And peanut butter. I love it. So, pick out your ingredients, then you come back to your table, and then it's time for chocolate. So there's no chocolate in here yet, but there will be. So let's go over this funnel system. We have a cup, a funnel, and the stopper. You guys want to guess what the stopper is doing? Stopping the chocolate. I know. Now people think, wow, why does he even have to explain that? That's so easy. But we see this person, and they are just really mad. They think it's not working. Well, it is working. You're just filling up that cup, okay? We've seen that happen. We've seen this happen. Oh my gosh. No. Chocolate everywhere. We've seen the artists. They think they're really sophisticated, but you're filling your shoe up? Yeah, not so sophisticated. So I think we're going to be fine. You hold that stopper, quick, short bursts. Let's get some actual chocolate so it looks good. Who loves milk chocolate? Who's definitely going to use... Perfect. You guys like dark chocolate?
I do too.
You do? Okay, and a white chocolate too? Anyone?
I like everything.
I like all chocolate, honestly.
We got it. So we'll give you all the chocolate. And we get some dark chocolate here. Alright, here we go. So it's for real now. Here we go. So you hold that stopper down, come up and over, quick short burst. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, okay.
Up, down motion. Let's do it one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. You don't have to make a sound effect, but
I might do it.
3 booms.
I might do the sound
That's
effect.
right. The boom system. So don't stop yet. These are really important. These are your stirring sticks because everything's kind of loose underneath the chocolate, so we got to mix it all together. So you just, kind of move it around a little bit. Da, da, da. Uh-oh. And then da, da, da. And then tap it out. Kind of flatten that top. Just a little tap on the table like so. You see like air bubbles. And you are good. Maybe later tonight, maybe in the middle of the night, I've been there, where you're looking for, you're craving that coconut cup. You can always try and find it, or you can always mark what you made on top. But live dangerously, that's your thing. You'll find it eventually, I'm sure. So those are the dry ingredients. Now, you guys like peanut butter, right? Nutella? Okay, a little bit different because it's the wet stuff. So don't use peanut butter first, it's so sticky. So we have to trap the peanut butter by first making kind of a chocolate cup. Because if we had a Reese's cup, I'm sure we have, when you unwrap the wrapper, there's chocolate all the way around. So it's a little bit more work, but it's worth it. So chocolate at the bottom, then just start brushing the chocolate up the sides. So you're creating just like a chocolate shell right in here. And now our peanut butter will go in the middle. and just top it off. Give it a little top. Close it up. And you just made a peanut butter cup. Pretty easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so whenever you're done, we don't have to worry about names. We'll figure it out. You guys. You can just place it right here. And then I'll take care of the rest, and then it goes in the fridge, and then I'll bring it back to you when it's
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?